Hey everybody, Jessie here. I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough tutorial of how you will access your documents electronically once you've enrolled in eDelivery, just from start to finish. So the first step will be logging into your client portal. And the way to always know where to access your client portal is by going to bobbennie.com, the Bob Bennie website, and go to Account Access. From here, you'll type in your username and your password. And I am using a sample client, Frank and Joanna Miller. These are not real clients, just an example. And so you'll come to your homepage where you'll see an add up of all of the accounts that you have. And if you go to the investments box and click investments, you can also click up here, this tab, you'll see all of the accounts that you have and what the balances are. To access your documents, you'll go to the vault up here at the top. Once you are in the vault, now I'm using a sample client, so I don't have any actual documents that I can pull up to show you, but the route that you will take to get your documents, after you get to the vault, you'll hit brokerage account documents. It'll be this folder with the cloud in it. And from here, you can access trade confirmations, tax documents, statements, or correspondence. Most often, you're going to be getting your statements here. And what you'll see when you pull up your statements is a whole bunch of time frames. So you'll see like last 30 days, 2020, 2019, 2018, a whole bunch of options. They have to keep files back as far as 7 years. So what will be the most helpful thing for you to do would be to click the last 30 days, and that's going to be the most recent statement that you got. And that's where you'll pull it, and you'll just download the PDF file and you can print it, or you can save it to your computer, or if you just want to look at it and close out of it, you know that it will always be available here for you in your vault if you ever need to access it again. So it's relatively easy once you actually are able to get into your client portal to go access those documents. You'll note that anytime you have a new document that's available for you to access in your vault, you'll get an email notifying you. So things won't just come into your vault without you knowing. You'll get notified every time there's a new thing for you to look at. So I hope that you find that helpful. If you have any questions, give me a call or shoot me an email. My email address is Jessie, Jessie, @bobbennie.com. Thank you. Have a great day.